Right, guys, just a quick update. I'm not going to get my video out on time this weekend. I have another holiday next week, so it's going to be the weekend after, at the latest Wednesday. So 2 weeks on Wednesday, the latest. But I must say that is a work of art. So this is my, obviously, 24 gigahertz power density signal detector, and there's our high dielectric constant material that just basically protects these electronics from, because it's quite kind of electrical induced current, because the transmitter is quite close, so it can only be what comes through the horn that's affecting these systems. True power density, basically. So there's that, and I have a shelf in my house that this is going when I'm done, because that is an ornament. It is bloody beautiful. But yeah, and another aspect of this new video that's coming up as well, I'm going to revisit the leaf nodes. So if you remember my first ever Mark Steele debunking video, I reverse engineered the leaf node system, and I showed it to be just basically a lamppost telemetry system with a 64 bits payload that was transmitted every 15 seconds, whatever the hell it was, can't remember. But yeah, there's that. I'll have to revisit that. I'm going to do that, but I'm going to get those antennas from that on a vector network analyzer. I'm going to show that they work in an omnidirectional sense and they don't, beam form or any bullshit that he said. I'll do that as a side note to the video. So I'll get that video out. But anyone looking at this, put down the comments. Should I do it in segments over a series, like part 1, part 2, part 3? Or should I just push the whole thing out and you're willing to sit there for like an hour or whatever and watch it? Let me know. Should it be bite-sized? Or should it be for the person who's more, technically minded, is willing to sit there and, see me do all these experiments and stuff like that on the bench? Let me know that. It's just a case of getting it finished, really. Most of it's in my computer. All the teardowns, all the component data sheets and everything. I've done all the talk throughs of them. I've shown actually it's not to hand at the minute. But anyway, I've shown that all the components in there, especially in this. We know exactly what they are, and we know what they do. And to be fair, like on the kind of God, I can't think of the bloody word now. On the example kind of circuit and stuff like that, it all looks exactly the same. It's almost like the manufacturer of this just looked at the example circuit and went, "Oh yeah, that works. We'll implement that." And either take away a few components or add a few components. I mean, anyway, I'm waffling now. I'm going to tangent, but so the video's been delayed, and I will get round to it, and I will get it done. So stay tuned, and I'll catch you in the next one.